Welcome to Seaside 401. This is a canal front property located at 55 Boca Chica Road in Big Coppitt, 10 miles from Key West. Charming community, gated community. You do own the land here, and you're sitting on a very nice location where you can look up and down the canal. I'd just like to share a few of the features here. You've got your built-in TV with a fireplace, nice cabinetry, a gas range, microwave, double sink, there's the living room, just panning back around. And now we'll head down towards the master bedroom. There's a washer dryer hookup behind that sliding door. Lots and lots of cabinet space. And you've got the bump out here for the bedroom. Again, more cabinetry and TV mounted on the wall. Very nice cottage creek.